I'm a person in long-term recovery. I've been sober for 14 years. What changed my life was my sister passed away from a drug overdose in 2009. We seemingly had everything together, and this tragedy happens. Never in a million years would I've thought that I could have turned something so tragic into something really so beautiful. Hope is really all we have. And if we don't have that, there's no really drive or motivation or anything like that to continue on. We really need and want, and with love, to support APC.
We deployed 360 life-saving one boxes, which are Narcan delivery devices, in areas all across central Alabama. 67,000 medication disposal kits. That's 67,000 opportunities for medication to not be diverted. That's incredible.
Can't think of a more valuable cause and a more worthy cause than supporting people dealing with addiction.